time and show you our lower torque box kits, some of the advantages to them, and what makes them different from every other torque box kit out there on the market. First off, you can see the design is exceptionally different. Most everybody else makes theirs out of plate, and it fits right into your frame rail and it's a box. These, we decided to make them this way. They're just as strong, and they're probably 3 or 4 pounds lighter per side, maybe even more, depending on what size plate the other companies are using. The second thing we did is we put our lower control arm bolt holes in an arc, so that when you do move your control arm up or down, you don't have to change your pinion angle. It should still stay the same because we've got the arc set for the proper length lower control arm. I've been asked a lot of times why we don't put a second set of holes in front of these, and I feel there's kind of a problem to that. It's not a structural problem or anything like that, but when you go to make your adjustments, if you go to a hole in front, you will have to make your lower control arm anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to an inch longer. You'll have to adjust it, and that will change your pinion angle, and it will probably change your thrust angles if you don't get it exactly perfect. So if you're at the racetrack making adjustments, you could potentially lose half a day to testing to try and get your thrust angles right and get your car to go straight and get your pinion angle right. So these make it a lot easier to adjust your lower control arms and pinion angles. So also, when used in conjunction with our infinitely adjustable lower control arm instant center brackets, there's more adjustability between these and our upper torque boxes than any other product out there on the market. If it's infinite adjustability that you want, these are the kits that you want to get. So if you want to find out more about these lower torque box kits, you can check them out on our website, www.teamzmotorsports.net, or you can call one of our tech guys at the shop and talk to them. Thanks.